Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Pancakeswap with Coinbase Wallet. First, open your Coinbase Wallet app on your phone. Next, find the D-app browser and type Pancakeswap Finance into the search bar. Once on the Pancakeswap site, tap Connect Wallet and choose Coinbase Wallet from the options. This simple step links your wallet, preparing you for decentralized exchanges. Now let's swap some tokens. Make sure you have enough Binance Coin or BNB in your wallet to cover transaction fees. On Pancakeswap, select the Trade or Exchange option. Pick the token you want to trade and the one you wish to get. Enter the amount, review the details, and confirm the transaction. It's a straightforward process, usually taking less than 1 minute. If you're interested in earning rewards, consider providing liquidity. Go to the Liquidity section on Pancakeswap. Choose Add Liquidity and select a token pair, such as BNB and Cake. Input the amounts for both tokens you want to contribute. Confirm the transaction to add your assets to the pool, potentially earning a share of trading fees. This can be a great way to grow your holdings. Finally, let's talk about staking and yield farming. Head over to the Farms or Pools sections. Select a farm or pool that corresponds to the liquidity tokens you've provided. Stake your LP tokens there to begin earning rewards, typically in Cake tokens. You can monitor your earnings and unstake your tokens whenever you choose. This offers another avenue for passive income.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.